by approximately 8 minutes. We are sorry that your journey will take longer than planned. The train now standing at platform 3 is the 0104 Stepford Express service to Benton, calling at St Helens Bridge and Benton. This train is formed of 5 coaches. First class is located at the front of the train. The train now standing at platform C is the 0103 Metro service to Barton via Bowden, calling at Fourways, Stepford East, High Street, St Helens Bridge, Angel Pass, Bowden, Coxley Newtown, and Barton. This train is formed of 8 coaches. The train now approaching platform 9 terminates here. This train is the service from Lynn by the Sea.
This is Stepford
Platform
Central.
D for
This
the
train terminates here.
0102
All change,
Metro
please.
service to
Thank you for travelling with us
Willowfield,
today.
calling at City Hospital, Beachley, Hemden Park, and Willowfield. Due to a short platform, passengers for Hemden Park should travel in the front 6 coaches. This train is formed of 8 coaches. The 0120 service from Leighton City is delayed by approximately 6 minutes. We are sorry that your journey will take longer than planned. The 0105 service from
Stepford
Lynn by the
Central.
Sea is delayed by
This train
approximately
is for
9 minutes.
Stepford Victoria.
We are sorry that your journey will take longer than planned.
City Hospital.
Welcome on board this Stepford Connect
The
service
train
to
now approaching
Morganstown.
platform 3 terminates here. The 0121